If you received $1 million today, tax-free, out the clear blue sky, would you know what to do with it, or would you go broke like most lottery ticket winners? Okay, again, the question is, you received $1 million today. Just came out the sky. Maybe your auntie, long lost uncle left you $1 million. Would you know what to do with it? Or would you go broke like your average lottery ticket owner? That 1K said if he got the $1 million, he would invest it in the tech sector. All right, so Tiffany says, if I got $1 million, yes, I know what to do with it. Pay off debt, invest, buy a home, set aside money for kids. But would you be able to resist those impulses? The ball till you fall. Don says, with $1 million, 70% goes back into the market, 30% pocket money, and go back to work on Monday. $1 million is changing my life. I guess you're saying $1 million is not changing your life much. Karan says, I definitely be ready. I'll break it down. Saving, stock market, invest in my agency, invest in some real estate, and 150K for the queen and I to do what we please. All right, so you're taking 15% off the top to, just gallivant and get into some shenanigans. I get it. I like it. All right. Tiffany says, yes, I will be able to resist. I got goals and things I want to achieve. All right. Thad says, I will take 500 in place in the money market. The other half, 100K in the stock market, 250 in real estate, 200 into my business. All right. I've seen people say all the good stuff they do if they ran into money. And when it happened, they blew through it. Yup. BPM, if $1 million was dropped on me today, I would spend my entire paycheck into the 403B. Okay, completely pay off my house and all other debt, and wait until there's a stock market pullback. All right. So Curtis Davis was answering the question: what would you do for $1 million? He said he would invest in the stock market, invest my $1 million in Tesla, OKTA, and Twilio. Okay, so 3 shares. All right. Adrian says, I like to say I pay all my debt, give a little to close family, charity, hire a financial advisor, and disappear. All right. I pay my outstanding bills and hire someone who I trust and knows about investments. Kurt Jamaican Henry said, my dad's friend won $3 million in Philly in the 90s and he went broke. More receipts, y'all. More receipts. All right. So Victor said, agreed. Once that money lands, emotions come into play. If you weren't disciplined before then, it will be hard to be disciplined with $1 million. All right, Jack, the first thing said, I will hire a financial advisor and make a plan to turn that $1 million into $10 million. So I've only seen like 2 people say that they would hire a professional. To me, it goes back to what Richard said. To me, it's what Jack said. To me, it's what Victor said. It's about the discipline. It's about what your lifestyle is like now. 9 times out of 10, you're not going to change your lifestyle when that money drops. And so you're just going to you might make a couple good plays in the beginning, but then you just kind of stay in your overall lifestyle. Just keep doing what you normally do. And again, this is no shade, but most of us, a lot of us, don't have a high level of financial education. So do you even know where you would go?